Greetings, wonderful audience. Amarjit here from Amar PTE classes. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So, thank you to all of you to subscribing to my channel and liking to my videos. So, in today's video, I'm going to discuss some reading and writing filling the blanks, because sometime you will face some difficulties in reading and writing filling the blanks, because most of the students have fear ki how they can easily solve and easily find out the answers within the paragraph to solve reading and writing filling the blanks. So in today's video I'm going to discuss some reading and writing filling the blanks, and I'm taking some examples from ptestudy.com. So these are the paragraphs means in which you can easily identify the answers within the paragraph, and you can easily choose and easily guess ki which option is correct for one particular blank. So reading and writing filling the blanks is somewhat easiest to as compared to reading filling the blanks, because for one blank you will get 4 or 5 options also, because sometime you will get the question in the final PT exam in which you are getting 5 options. So you have to prepare your mind ki you can also get the 5 options for one particular blank. So let's start to solve this paragraph, but first you have to scan the paragraph, means what is the context in the paragraph and what is the paragraph about. Because if you are going to solve from the AP unit, then you can easily find out ki this is the paragraph, this is the heading of the paragraph, and you can find out ki this is the main topic of the paragraph. If you will appear in the final PT exam, then you will not find any heading on the paragraph. So let's start. So this is the first example. Work ready international students are dash greater option for local employers who are having difficulties finding local staff due to dash employment rate and labor shortages. So you can easily guess ki in this line, this is the first line, ki there is some labor shortage in this paragraph. International students in accounting and information technology take part in a year long program consisting of classroom work and practical experiences. So they are talking about some technology and some classwork and some practical experience which provides them with the dash skills. So they are talking about here skills. Industry context, you can use the industry context and a working dash of Australian workplaces. So there are 5 blanks in the paragraph. So let's come to the first blank. Work ready international students are. So here it is are, means you can follow the grammar rule. Sometime you have to follow first form of verb with ing, and if the sentence is in the passive voice, then you will use the third form of verb. So let's check the options. International students are imposing, providing, dissipating and impressing. So next check this option. Greater options for the local employers, means they are talking about ki if there is an international student, then this is the advantage for the local employers who are having difficulties, जो difficulties को face कर रहे हैं to finding the local staff, means they are not able to find the local staff but they are using the international students for their staff. It means they are providing greater options, so you will choose providing. This is the clear in the line. And who are having difficulties finding local staff, because they are not finding the national people but they are finding the international student. क्यों नहीं मिल रहे हैं उनको local? Due to dash employment rates, because अगर employment rate ज़्यादा होगा तभी उनको वहाँ पे लोग या workers नहीं मिलेंगे. So that's why it is high employment rate, because you can check कि finding difficulties, having difficulties, एम्प्लॉयमेंट रेट एंड डैश लेबर शॉर्टेजेस. इट मीन्स कि उनके पास जो लेबर है वो भी शॉर्टेज है. सो एवरलास्टिंग ऑप्शन है, ट्रांजिस्ट्री है, ऑनगोइंग है या फॉर्मेटिव है. सो दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट प्रेजेंट बिकॉज आर. सो इट मीन्स कि अभी वो शॉर्टेज चल रही है. एवरलास्टिंग वो हमेशा के लिए नहीं होने वाली है, मतलब ऑन गोइंग शॉर्टेज है जो सिर्फ अभी शॉर्टेज है हमारे पास. नेक्स्ट इज and information technology take part in the year-long program consisting of classroom work and the practical experience which provides them with dash skills. मतलब वो उनको ऐसी स्किल्स देते हैं और इंडस्ट्री कॉन्टेक्स्ट भी यूज़ करते हैं एंड अ वर्किंग डैश ऑफ द ऑस्ट्रेलियन वर्क प्लेसेस, सो विच प्रोवाइड्स देम विद एप्लीकेबल अकेडमिक सोशल या वैल्यूएबल। सो इट मीन्स कि वो स्किल्स हैं उनके पास जो वो अपनी यूटिलाइज कर रहे हैं। एकेडमिक जो होती है वो दैट इज़ बैकग्राउंड, बट इट इज़ नॉट अ स्किल। एकेडमिक यू हैव द क्वालिफिकेशन, एप्लीकेबल भी नहीं होगा क्योंकि आप अप्लाई नहीं कर रहे हो बट आपके पास स्किल्स हैं। सो इट मीन्स आपके पास कुछ आपको नॉलेज है, इट मीन्स इट इज़ वैल्यूएबल स्किल्स। Industry context and a working dash of Australian workplaces. So most of the students will choose environment क्योंकि वर्किंग के साथ हमारे पास इन्वायरमेंट की बात आती है, बट यहाँ पे हम स्किल्स की बात कर रहे हैं कि एम्प्लॉयमेंट रेट की बात हो रही है और वर्क प्लेसेस की बात हो रही है। इट मीन्स वर्किंग नॉलेज ऑफ ऑस्ट्रेलियन वर्क प्लेसेस। सो इट मीन्स कि वो अपना कॉन्टेक्ट्स यूज़ कर सकते हैं और उनको ये पता होना चाहिए कि यहाँ पे काम करने के लिए किन किन चीज़ों की रिक्वायरमेंट है। सो दीज आर द आंसर्स, लेट्स चेक द आंसर्स। Providing high employment rate, ongoing, valuable and the knowledge of Australian workplaces. So this is the way कि you can easily choose the answer. Let's do 1 to 2 more examples कि how you can choose it. So this is about sociology in very basic terms, means this is the paragraph about sociology, the study of human society. So this is the definition of the sociology that is given within the paragraph. In this respect it is usually dash as one of the social sciences. So they are talking about कि अगर हम sociology की बात करें, सिर्फ हम sociology की respect में बात करें, it is usually मतलब ये जो sociology it is a human society as one of the social sciences, like you can study the subjects like psychology, and was dash as a subject in the late 18th century. So it means it is classified, but here it is not classified, because when you will say कि this is the subject classified as, because here it is as, so this is the means collocation, so it is not classes because it is usually, so this is talking about in the passive voice. So classified हमारे पास एग्जाम्पल नहीं है। आइडेंटिफाई कि आप कुछ आइडेंटिफाई कर रहे हो किसी चीज़ से, एंड रिमेंबर मीन्स याद रखना, सो इट इज़ क्लास्ड, सो दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द वोकैबुलरी हियर, सो इट इज़ क्लास्ड एज। नेक्स्ट इज and was dash as a subject in the late 18th century. So this is the subject जो हमें 18th century में मिला था, the work of people like the French writer this one. So and was dash, so it means तब वो subject बन गया था, तो it means कि वो establish हुआ था या design हुआ था। So seen नहीं आएगा because they are talking about sociology and it is a human society and these are the social sciences, so you can't say कि here it is seen। was है तो मतलब सेकेंड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब और थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब आएगी, कन्फर्म्ड भी नहीं होगा, इस्टेब्लिश और डिज़ाइन होगा, बट दिस इज़ नॉट अ लाइक कि दिस इज़ टॉकिंग अबाउट सब्जेक्ट, सो इट इज़ नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट द सिलेबस एंड द करिकुलम, सो इट इज़ लाइक इस्टेब्लिश्ड। सो फ्रॉम दिस वे यू कैन चूज़ द आंसर कि हमने डिज़ाइन कहाँ पे यूज़ करना है और इस्टेब्लिश्ड कहाँ पे यूज़ करना है। However, the subject has only really gained dash as an academic subject. So it means कि वो subject तो 18th century में बन गया था, but उसके बावजूद, हालांकि it means however the subject has only gained dash as an academic subject in the 20th century. तो it means acceptance, satisfaction, पॉपुलैरिटी या नॉलेज। सो इट मीन्स कि उसको जो आगे उसने लिखा है कि थ्रू द वर्क ऑफ राइटर्स सच एज दिस एंड वन नेम दैट यू मे हैव हर्ड ऑफ दिस has probably done more to stimulate people's interest in the subject. So this is the subject has only really मतलब रियली मतलब जो उसने सचमुच में ये उसको वो चीज़ मिली थी 20th सेंचुरी में जाके मिली थी, तो इट मीन्स दिस इज़ दी एक्सेप्टेंस, मीन्स इट इज़ एस्टैब्लिश्ड इन दी 18th सेंचुरी, बट जो रियली एक्सेप्टेंस मिली कि हाँ दिस इज़ द सब्जेक्ट यू कैन यूज़ फॉर दी अकेडमिक पर्पज, देन दिस इज़ दी एक्सेप्टेंस। सो हियर इट इज़ एज एंड हियर इट इज़ एज। सो नेक्स्ट वन, academic discipline sociology therefore has a reasonably long history of development. So it means ki it takes some time because it is established in this. So after that something is written in between these, and it means they are continuously working on this subject from the 18th century. Now next is long history of development, means it took 150 to 200 years of development dash in between. It has only been the last 30-40 years that sociology is an examined subject in the एजुकेशन सिस्टम. इट मीन्स कि ब्रिटेन में 30-40 ईयर्स में ये सब्जेक्ट ऐसा बना है कि दे कैन एग्जामिन, मतलब दे कैन यूज़ इन द एकेडमिक्स एंड दे कैन एग्ज़ाम इट एंड दे कैन चूज़ इट फॉर द एग्ज़ाम ऑल्सो. सो इतनी देर से वहाँ पे काम हो रहा है, बट जो एक्चुअल उसको पॉपुलैरिटी मिली है, जो उसको एक्सेप्टेंस मिली है, वो लास्ट 30-40 ईयर्स में मिली है. सो इट मीन्स ऑल दो, मतलब तब से उसकी स्टार्टिंग है बट अभी तक उसको ये चीज़ अभी तक मिली है. सो इट मीन्स ऑल दो. सो लेट्स चेक द आंसर्स फर्स्ट बिकॉज इट वॉज little lengthy. So this is classed, established, acceptance and although. So next one. So this is the next example. The fall of smallpox. So it is talking about smallpox began with the realization that dash of the disease were immune for the rest of their lives. So this led to the practice of variolation, a process of exposing a healthy person to infected material from a person with smallpox in the hopes of producing a mild disease that dash immunity from further infection. So this is the paragraph about smallpox and this is the paragraph about variolation, because they are talking about variolation in this paragraph. So नाउ दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट कि जो जिसको भी स्मॉल पॉक्स होता है विद द रियलाइजेशन दैट दे डैश ऑफ द डिसीज वर इम्यून टू द रेस्ट ऑफ देयर लाइव्स, मीन्स वो क्या हो जाते हैं कि रेस्ट ऑफ लाइफ के लिए उनको ये प्रॉब्लम नहीं आती है. इफ़ दे आर फेसिंग दिस प्रॉब्लम फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, then after that they will not face the same problem. So it means they are the survivors, because they are not the people, because they have facing smallpox, they are not the victims, so they are not talking about any crime, and they are not even the patient because they are immune to the rest of their lives. So it means they are the survivors. So survivor means you have faced some difficulty, you have some disease, but after that you are surviving, and in the rest of your life you will not face the same problem again. So these are the survivors. This led to the practice of variolation, a process. So they are talking about ki what is variolation. So this is ki how you can define it. So process of exposing a healthy person to the infected material. So if you are healthy, then you will get infected from a person जिसको भी smallpox हुआ है, in the hopes of producing a mild disease that dash immunity for further infection. Means आपको आगे जाके उस चीज़ से immunity मिल जाएगी, मतलब you will not get again infected in the rest of your life. So it means provided, contributed, gave या transfer. So it means if you are get infected with the other person with which having the same smallpox problem, so it means you will provided immunity for the further infection. Means after that if you will face the same difficulty but your body will be immune. So it means it is providing. So this is the first written account of the variolation. Describe a Buddhist nun practicing around this. By the 1700s, this method of variolation was dash practice in China. So it means same practice in China, India and Turkey, common, usual या frequent. So it means कि they are practicing on these kind of people, but this method was practice, मतलब already ये practice में आता था, तो it means it was the common method in China, India and Turkey, because the other options are same, usual and the frequent. So we are not using these same options here. So next is overall 2% to 3% of the people who were variolated died of this, but this practice decreased the total number of this by 10-fold. So now who are मतलब जो इसकी वजह से जिनकी डेथ हुई, और डेथ किसकी वजह से हुई, स्मॉल पॉक्स, बट द प्रैक्टिस डिक्रीज, मतलब जब हमने ये प्रैक्टिस स्टार्ट करी देन दे डिक्रीज द टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्मॉल पॉक्स बाय 10 फोल्ड. सो इट इज़ फेटेलिटीज, पेशेंट डिसीजेज या विक्टम्स. सो दे ऑलरेडी टेकिंग अबाउट कि ये डेड हो चुका है, ओवरऑल इतने लोगों की डेथ हुई है, तो इट मीन्स कि इतनी fertilities are also like कि dead. So it is fertility. So this is the you can say कि vocabulary कि they are talking about dead, it means कि it is decreased by 10 fold. So let's check the answer first. So these are the answers. Next one, so this is the last example. Look at the recent most respected companies surveyed by the Financial Times. So in this line they are talking about the companies, most respected company mean they have a name in the market and they are surveyed by the Financial Times, who are the most respected companies and business leaders. So these are the company that are most respected and they are also the business leader at the dash time. So it means at the current time, same time या right time. So this is the sentence in the present form, means you can check from the here who are the most respected company, mean they are हैं, अभी हैं, वो इस टाइम पे हैं, मतलब who are the most, मतलब इस प्रेजेंट की बात कर रहा है क्योंकि यहाँ पे वो आर यूज़ कर रहा है. सो इट मीन्स दे आर द बिजनेस लीडर एट द करंट टाइम. सेम टाइम राइट टाइम यहाँ पे नहीं आएगा. नेक्स्ट इज, सो दीज आर द लीडर्स and General Electric and Bill Gates and the Microsoft. So they are talking about these leaders and the most respected companies. So after that has achieved their world class status through playing nice. So अब उसने यहाँ पे बोला है कि rather predictably they are dash and this and both neither and all. So means they are talking about all, मतलब यहाँ पे उसने ऑल की बात करी है बट हमें आगे भी पढ़ना है. हैज़ अचीव्ड देयर वर्ल्ड क्लास स्टेटस थ्रू प्लेइंग नाइस. सो यू कांट check, मतलब you can't say कि here is the answer in this line, but you have to check further also. So which is still remembered for the brutal downsizing he led his business dash and for the environmental pollution incidents and prosecutions also. Microsoft has had one of the dash profile cases of bullying market dominance and Gate has been dash able to the financial status where he can choose to give lots of money away by ruling ruthless in the business. So it means this is the some disadvantages, these are the some bad things they are talking about. So it means neither has, मतलब उनमें से कोई भी नहीं. So this is the first person's remembered for the brutal downsizing he led his business dash out from या through. So led his business through, मतलब पूरे business में ये चीज़ रही है. So here it is through. And for the environmental pollution incidents and prosecution. So this is one thing in this business. So second is talking about Microsoft had one of the dash profile cases of. So it means कि Microsoft has, this is the business company having bullying market dominance of the recent times, मतलब they are bullying and there is some market dominance. So it means it is highest profile cases. And Gates has been able to dash the financial status, improve, receive या achieve. So where he can choose to give lots of money away by being ruthless in business. It means it was not able to achieve the financial status. Improve नहीं है because they not talking about कि this is the downfall, then after that it was improving, then again it is receiving. So it means achieve. So achieve can be the right answer, but we will check it later. So let's check the answer. So these are the answer. So these are the way कि you have to read the paragraph thoroughly. So after that you can decide the answer, because sometime you will find कि answer is given in the next line, not in the previous line. So when you will get the paragraph on your screen, just scan the paragraph, just take the idea कि what is given in the paragraph, then after that you can decide the answers. So if you are again facing some difficulties, you have some problems and you want to discuss with me, then please contact me. My number is given in the description box, and you can also comment on my videos. Then don't forget to like my videos and to share my videos. So thank you so much to all of you.